In today's video, we are going to look at vowel signs in Bengali. What are vowel signs? We'll see. So when you have a consonant followed by a vowel, instead of writing it in this form, which is O, A, E, U, R, A, Oi, O, instead of that, you will have a vowel sign that represents this vowel when it follows a consonant. So this is Ko, or the K sound. So Ko. So if you want to add Ko, and if you want to make a word called Ka and something, then you don't write it like this. So in all Indian languages, most Indian languages, you will see that this O sign will not be used, but something like this will be used. A symbol will represent Ka. So now in this case, it's just easy to see that I can hide this and you can get that. But that is not the case with E. To get a E, I can't do that. So it's a different sign. So what are these signs and how do they look? That's what we're going to find out today. What are the vowel signs of Bengali for each of these consonants? So we know the consonants Ko, Kho, Go, Gho, and Ngo, for example, and then there are a lot more. Let's look at all of that. Move all these to the side, and this is also gone. And in come the vowel signs for Ko, Kho, Go, Gho, Ngo. These are the vowel signs. Let's look at them closely. Ko, Ka, with like how we saw. Ki is the short E. So you write Ko in its full form, and then a line to the left is the short E sound. This line to the right is a long E sound, Ki. And then the short U is like this. Hindi speakers might recognize this as a long U, but in Bengali, this is the short U. The long one is written like this. Notice the subtle difference between the two. And then this is the R, Kr sign. So then this one, R. And then you have K, Koi, Ko, Ko. So these are the vowel signs for the consonant Ko in any word. When you read Bengali, try and just go to Wikipedia, Bengali Wikipedia, and observe. You will see these written, right? If the word begins with a vowel, then you will see the vowel in its other form, in its normal form. So if a word begins with A, you'll see this. But if you have this, then it means that your vowel sign is used because the previous letter is a consonant. That's the rule for vowel signs. What I've done is I've just applied the vowel signs for all the letters. So this is Ko, Kho, Kho, Kha, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kr, Ke, Koi, Ko, Kau, Ko, sorry. And then you see this. And put this in red because for Go, G, A sound, so Go, there is an exception. And this exception, we have to remember. There's no other way. So if you have a word which has Gu in it, Gulam, or if you have Gu in it, if you have a word with the Gu sound, then this is how you write. That's an exception. Otherwise, look at it. The pattern is the same. One line for A, E, U, R, A. Over here, Oi, O, and O. Very consistent across these letters. Nga, nga. Now, it's also important to note that there are not many words you will see with this. So some of it is just academic. But I wanted to show what the variations are and what the exceptions are. Then we look at the Cho. Cho, Cho, Jo, Jo, Nyo, Nyo, Yon sound, right, that we saw. Now over here, Borgir, Jo, and pretty consistent. No exceptions here. easy to follow, which means if you understand the rule once, you just keep applying it. So although there are so many consonants, there's good news because it's easier. It's so easy. Apply the same rules for the tho, tho, do, dho, no. So even here, just apply the same rules, and sometimes it gets tricky. Let's observe this. So this itself, the letter itself has got this line going up. Then what do you do here? You go above it, right? So it's sometimes fun to watch. Okay, now for the O, this already has one line. What happens O? You get two lines. So here you see twice. So some of the shapes of these letters make it look interesting. For the T, it goes the other way. So you cross that line. So maybe when people write it, they might use a different style, and then over here, it just touches. So you can watch out for all these, different ways and try to understand. We are exploring the script, right? So for this script, for this letter, because of that shape, how they managed and what they tried to do is very interesting. Different languages have used different patterns. Some of them want to preserve the look of the letter and they change the shape accordingly. Some languages, they are strict about the rule, even if it crosses like this. So that's the beauty of exploring different languages. We learn about what they might have thought. We don't know. None of them are alive now. The people who designed it should be like this. But it's very interesting to get a glimpse into what they were thinking. Anyway, dot, tho, dot, no, no exceptions. And then to, tho, dot, no, again, no exceptions. Very nice. Some of these look really pretty as well. Looks like a nice decoration if you write it well. You can actually, so if you want some decoration designs, you can actually write this. It's practicing the scripts, but it's also pretty to look at. So that's the beauty of these scripts. And then the pop, ho, bob, ho, mo, you have again pretty similar. You see, no red, no exceptions. So far, life is good. Bengali is suddenly easy once you know all the vowels and consonants. And then we have the last set. And then you see a few more red popped up now. Let's look at each of these red ones. What is this? This is ro. Ro, ra, ri, ru. Instead of putting that symbol and writing it below, they use this symbol. The interesting part is the Devanagari speakers, Hindi speakers, Marathi, whoever uses Devanagari script, you will relate to this. In Hindi also, or in Devanagari also, the R has U sign coming here. And Ru looks different, but so this is something to observe. And then look how close these two are. Look at that. This is ko, the consonant, and this is ru, it is the consonant r with the u sign. Looks very, very similar. Sometimes you get that a lot in Bengali, similar. And then this is talvasho, sha, she, shu. Okay. Now look at this shu and look at the gu here. Right? Very, very close. They both are very similar. But if you observe properly, the first part of it, the front part of it, you can see the talvasho shape. And for the gu, you can see the go shape in the beginning. But if you just look at it without observing it closely, you can get confused. Right? So put a word in the comment that has both of these, and something that's popular. Is there a word? All the Bengali speakers, is there a word in your language which has these two, shu and gu, together, sounds together? Let's see. It'll be interesting. And then again, who. This is her, ha, he, who. and hru. So the shape changes. And this is something you will see in Bengali. Every now and then, something will be red. Red as an exception, which means we have to remember. Not a lot for this set, as you saw. Most of these were black. So if we look at all of them, we arrange them in order. What comes first? Ko. Ko comes first. And then where is cho? It's here. So that's cho. Then where is to? This is to. And then the to. And then the po. And then this set. So with this, make sure you can see it. These are the vowel signs in Bengali. So these are the Bengali vowel signs. Hope you liked this video. We'll watch out. We'll check out in the next video another aspect of Bengali where a consonant and another consonant comes together. This is a consonant and a vowel. Next, we'll see consonant and consonant. They call consonant clusters. They're present in all languages, but different scripts treat them differently. Some tweak them more, some let them go, the way they are. It's written the way they are. Some of them change shape. What is the story with the Bengali script? Does it change shape? Is there a pattern? Can we remember? Are there more exceptions? We'll find out in the next video. If you liked this video or if you want to comment or correct, let me know in the comments, and really look forward to your feedback. Hope you like this video. Thank you.